Hello, it's Susan from Tama Gems. In today's video, we are going to go over the 5 basic steps on how to start making your own handmade jewelry. Step number 1 is the design. For some people, this is the hardest step. So where do you get inspiration? You can look at a storefront window. You can look at a magazine. You can watch a movie and see an actress that's got on a beautiful pair of earrings and you say, hey, I think I want to make that. Number 2 of the 5 basic steps, supplies. What you will need to make your piece of handmade jewelry. Number 3 is tools, and we'll go through each tool in order for you to make your design. Number 4 is technique. How do you make this piece of jewelry? There are certain techniques that you need to know. We will go through this step by step. Number 5 is the ending. How do I end this piece of jewelry? How do I finish it so I can wear it? So let's get started making our jewelry set. We're going to make earrings. This is turquoise and coral. We're going to make a turquoise and coral necklace, and we're going to make a butterfly turquoise charm bracelet. And in each video, we're going to go through the 5 basic steps. Okay, let's get started making our earrings. Step number 1 is the design, and this is my design, turquoise and coral dangle earrings. Number 2 is the supplies. What supplies do I need to make these earrings? I'm going to use red coral nuggets, and I'm going to use turquoise nuggets. I'm going to use 2 leverback earrings and 2 head pins. These head pins are 2 inches long and they're 20 gauge. Number 3 are tools. What tools do I need to make these earrings? I need cutters, I need round nose pliers, I need chain nose pliers, and I need my little cheat sheet card. And I'm going to show you what I use this for. One of the best tool sets that I found is this, the Beadsmith pliers set. And it comes with flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and cutters. And I found this set on Amazon. Number 4 is the technique. What technique are we going to use to make these earrings? It's called a simple loop. Number 5 is the ending. How are we going to finish off these earrings in order to wear them? And I will show you that when we get to step number 5. We're going to start with turquoise. The next one's going to be coral, turquoise, coral, and end with turquoise. So we've got a 5 stack right there. Let's do the next side. So there's our earring stack. Now we're going to make simple loops with this. So how do I make a simple loop? A simple loop takes about 1 centimeter of wire. From here to here is 1 centimeter. This piece of wire is longer than 1 centimeter. So to start making our simple loop, we're going to put our thumb here, we're going to put our fingernail here, and we're going to bend it back. We're going to do the same with this one and bend it back. Then what we're going to do is use this card. We're going to put our wire there at the very beginning of our stack. We're going to come in with our cutters and we're going to cut at the line, which is the 1 centimeter mark. And we're going to do the same with the other side. Turquoise goes right at the top where the wire comes out, and we're going to cut. So now we have 1 centimeter of wire. I've marked my round nose pliers with a red Sharpie so I can make even loops on each side of my earrings. So I'm going to take my stack, the wire is going to go to the back, and I'm going to put the wire in between my round nose pliers, and I'm going to turn it towards me. And when my wrist can't turn anymore, I'm going to take out my pliers, readjust them, and continue on with my loop. When I get to the bottom and I can't go anymore, I'll take out my pliers, and there's my simple loop. So we'll do it again on this side. The wire is going to the back. I'm hanging onto my stack. I'm going to put it in between my plier jaws, round it toward me, and when I can't turn anymore with my wrist, I'm going to take it out, put it back in, and round it again towards me. And when I'm done rounding, you see I can't go any further, the gemstones are in the way, I'll take it out and there's my simple loop. If you have an opening here that's too big, this was in the way, you can readjust, put it back in, and turn it some more. And there's your simple loop. Number 5 is the ending. How are we going to put this onto this? We can do 2 ways. We can either open up the lever back here, which I'll show you how to do. We're going to use our chain nose pliers and we're going to rotate it to the left and hang this on and rotate it back. And then we give it a squeeze to make sure that they're even. The other way we can do it is we don't have to open up our lever back. We can open up our simple loop. We're going to take the end, rotate it up, put on our lever back, and rotate it back down. So we have to make sure that this is closed completely. So we're going to wiggle it together and wiggle it until it touches. Wiggle, wiggle. There we go. And now our loop is closed. And there we have our beautiful turquoise and coral dangle earrings.